We have got a showstopper of a Christmas mate for you for under £15.
It is these giant paper plate baubles that are filled with chocolate so that you can rip them open and have fun on Christmas Day.
Now, if you like this video, then make sure you subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel.
And don't forget to click the bell icon too so that you don't miss out on all the brand new content.
Keep watching and we'll show you how to make these.
For 3 baubles you will need 6 paper plates, gold card, colourful paint, double-sided tape, ribbon, craft glue and some goodies to fill your baubles with. To make the smallest bauble, cut the inside rim out of a paper plate. Cut a rectangle of gold card for a topper. Trim a little bit off the circle so that there's a nice flat edge where the gold card will go. Tape the gold card in place on the back of the circle. Add double-sided tape around the back of the bauble. Line up the rim of the plate with the back of the bauble and press down. Cut slits into the card to allow it to fold around easily. When you've gone all the way around, tape to seal. For the droplet baubles, cut 2 sides from a paper plate that are roughly the same width. Tape these together in the centre, like this. Cut the top flat as before and tape a gold rectangle to the top. Repeat for the big bauble, trimming a flat edge and taping a gold rectangle onto the back. Fill each bauble with a handful of chocolates, sweets or little toys. Seal the smallest one with a small circle cut from a scrap of card. For the droplet bauble, cut 2 pieces of paper plate, as before in the same shape, and glue this to the back. Add another paper plate to the back of the big bauble. Paint the baubles however you'd like. We're painting ours in light colours as we're obsessed with pastels at the moment. Make a little bow from ribbon for each bauble and glue it to the top. Then make a hook to hang the baubles and glue this at the back. Now all you need to do is hang your baubles. Then when you're feeling festive, you can pull them apart to find all the yummy goodies.
So there we go, giant paper plate baubles with fillable goodies.
There are loads of ideas for things that you can make for Christmas over on the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub.
Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.